Okay, today I'm going to show you how to replace the machine lead. Let's use the Mirror 7S as an example. First, remove the light bar from the lead. There are 3 screws here. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to use this 8mm nut driver to unscrew them. Alright, let's get it on. Okay, the light bar is removed. Then unplug the terminal of this camera. Notice here, remember the direction of this terminal. The red wire should be closer to the machine lead, and the black wire should be closer to the lead handle to the outside. Okay, let's disconnect it. Oh, look at here. There is a yellow-green rubber pad. It can easily fall off when you remove the light bar, so you're gonna need to put it back in place. There is adhesive on the bottom, so just give it a little pressure and it will stick on it. Its purpose is to keep the light bar in the correct position. There are 2 more of these pads here. Next, let's remove the screws from the frame retaining strip. Okay, it's done. It's used to secure the cable of the camera and the light bar. See them? These are the light bar cable and the camera cable. Pull the camera cable out. When you're gonna remove the lead, you're gonna need to cut the light bar cable here and then pull it out through the opening on the side too, along this gap. So you also need to remove this screw. Once the screw is removed, pull these cables out. These are the camera cable and the light bar cable that you just cut. Next, remove these 3 hinge screws. Do the same thing on this side. At this point, you're gonna have another person help hold the lead to prevent it from falling. Okay, the second hinge. Alright, you see that the entire lead is loose. All you're gonna need to do is remove the 2 screws at the top of this gas spring. Remove the screws on this side as well. And don't forget to pull these cables out. So now the entire lead just be removed. And for this camera, it is attached with silicone, so just remove it by applying a little force. Okay, install the new lead by starting with the hinges. Let someone give you another right hand to hold this lead while you install the screws. Then install the gas spring on this side. Next to the hinge on this side. Then feed the camera cable and the light bar cable through this opening and pull them out through the gap at the top. Then get this screw tightened. So this is the camera cable and this is light bar cable. Use a soldering iron to reconnect the 2 light bar wires and wrap them securely with black electrical tape. Put this rubber pad back into place. Before installing the light bar, make sure all of these pads are in their proper spot. Okay, let's do light bar. Feed the camera cable through light bar and place the remaining cable along this groove. Now we are ready to install it. Before go through it, you need to fill this 8mm nut driver with nuts so that you can easily install and tighten the screws. Okay, the first screw is installed. Let's move on. So when you are getting through this section, make sure you move them to the side like this so that they don't get caught underneath the screws when you tighten them. Otherwise, the cables could be damaged and cause bad contact. See that? The cables are not being pinched by the screw. Then we push as much of the cable as possible into the gap in order to reinstall the frame retaining strip. This also can prevent the cables from being pinched, which could cause poor contact. Alright, let's check again to make sure the cables here can move freely and being pinched. Good. Now, let's get down the screws. First, screw in the middle one. Then tighten the screws at the top. Continue tightening the remaining upper screws. Finally, the bottom one. Then use silicone to secure the camera back into place. Reconnect the camera terminal. Remember, the red one should be closer to the machine lead, the black should be closer to the lead handle to the outside. Now let's give the new lead a test. Good! So this is the complete process for removing and installing the machine lead. Hope this video can help you. Any questions? Contact me through this way.